Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to read Peppa Plays Cricket. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already by clicking that button. Peppa and George are in the garden. Susie Sheep has come to play. Hello, Bat, says Susie. Daddy Pig is looking after the children. He finds his sun hat and turns on the radio. What a lovely day, says Daddy Pig. I'll sit here so I can watch you. Daddy, calls Peppa, are you asleep? Huh? Sputters Daddy Pig. Oh, of course not. I was listening to the cricket. It must be very boring if it makes you go to sleep, says Susie. Daddy Pig shakes his head. He loves cricket. Daddy Pig fetches a bat, a ball and some sticks. What are those for? asks Peppa. Cricket, says Daddy Pig. I'm going to show you how to play. Peppa, George and Susie cheer. Hooray! Daddy Pig pushes 3 big sticks into the ground, then rests 2 little sticks on top. This is the wicket, says Daddy Pig. Wicket, laughs George, knocking the sticks over. Daddy Pig puts them back up again. The wicket is important in cricket. Daddy Pig gives the ball to Peppa. She is going to be the bowler. Lift the ball up high, says Daddy Pig, then run along the grass and let go. Whee! laughs Peppa. Oh! Peppa runs so fast she forgets to let go. Daddy Pig shows George how to swing the bat. Bowl again, please, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Peppa lifts the ball up high, runs and lets go. Wah! George swings the bat and knocks over the wicket. Never mind, George, says Daddy Pig. I'll help you swing the bat. George keeps trying with Daddy Pig's help. He hits the ball. Catch it, Susie, shouts Daddy Pig. Susie jumps up and catches the ball. Mummy Pig calls everyone inside. It is tea time. Cricketers always stop for tea, says Daddy Pig. And sandwiches and cake. Cake, cheers George. George loves cricket. Everyone loves cricket. Thanks for listening. Check out my playlist for some more Peppa videos. Thanks. Bye.